Hello everyone! Let's learn how to import affiliates in bulk using Afflr. Once you have logged into the Shopify admin dashboard and have opened the Afflr affiliate marketing application, navigate to the Affiliate section at the top of the dashboard. On the Affiliate dashboard, you'll see the Import button on the top right-hand side. Click on it. A pop-up will appear with a Get Started message, prompting you to upload your CSV file. The file must include at least 3 fields: first_name, last_name, and email. If any row within the file is invalid, it will be skipped, but the process will continue with the remaining valid rows. Ensure the maximum file size does not exceed 1 MB and that the CSV file contains no more than 500 records. You can download a sample CSV for reference. This sample CSV file can be used as a template. You can keep the same structure and add your own data. For example, you might want to add a demo entry with fields such as last name and email. Once you've saved your CSV file, head back and click on the upload icon. Select the file from your computer. It will be uploaded, and you'll then select the program you wish to add all affiliates to. After selecting the program, click the Add button to confirm. Then proceed by clicking the Next button. A confirmation pop-up will inform you that you are about to add affiliates under the Give 10% Get 10% program. Please note, this action cannot be reversed. Go ahead and confirm the action. And that's it. The affiliates are being imported successfully. Please wait a moment for the process to complete. As you can see, the process is in progress and will be completed shortly. This is how you can add affiliates in bulk with Afflr. Thanks for watching.